Here we Everyone in front of me, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, yes, hello. How's it going? All right. Sorry for that anticlimactic appearance, but now we are here, ladies and gentlemen. We are up in the crowd. And on the last tour, we did this exact same thing, and we realized right away that this has to be a mainstay in every single tour that we do. We get too much fun, so it's exactly what we're going to do right now. I'm going to play a song among you beautiful people. My grandpa fought in World War II. He was such a noble dude. I didn't finish school. Yes, my mama left too soon. His dad was a fireman who fought fire so violent. I picked up on my therapist while playing him my violin. Oh my God, that's so tame. Oh my God, that's such a shame. Next to them, I just don't feel so great. But I can't help myself from feeling bad. I kind of feel like two things can't be said. The world's smallest violin really needs an audience. So if I do not find somebody soon, I'll blow up into smithereens. This few months I symphony. Just let me play my violin for you. That's right. Okay. My grandpa fought in World War II and such a noble dude. Man, I feel like such a fool. I got so much left to prove. All my friends are big friends. They're so quick and fence. I'm too scared of getting in. It's the entertaining game. Oh my God, that's so insane. Oh my God, that's such a shame. Next to them, my shit don't feel so great. But I can't help myself from feeling bad. I kind of feel like two things can be said. The world's smallest violin really needs an audience. So if I do not find somebody soon, I'll blow up into smithereens. This few months I need symphony. Let me play my violin for you. That's right. Somewhere in the universe, somewhere's got it worse. Wish it made it easier. Wish I didn't feel the hurt. The world's smallest violin really needs an audience. So if I do not find somebody soon, there he is. Just in the nick of time. Welcome. You like this? Yeah. Okay. Ryan, do you want to sing the rest of the song with us? Say it together. I'll blow up into smithereens and spew my tiny symphony of